Welcome to the channel. This week we're on Royal Caribbean Jewel of the Seas, and I'm going to give you a quick tour of a handicapped Ocean View balcony. It is room 7114 on deck 7. It's not too far from the elevators. You can see down there at the exit to the elevators. It does have a different key entry for the to be able to reach the keyhole here. You got to figure it out. And one of the features too, the door automatically opens. Once you do the key, you don't have to push it. So if you're on a wheelchair, you're able to get in the room easier. So also a wider door, and also there's two peepholes to be able to check it. So the door automatically shuts. And like I said, we are on deck 7. So as you walk in, there are a couple hanging area things here. And then you do have a full mirror here. And on the left hand side you have a closet. One of the nice features about the closet is it has you can pull this down here and the rack comes down, so if you are in a wheelchair you're able to get the clothes off. And also the safe is down below, lower, and you can see the size of the room. As far as a standard Ocean View balcony, this is a lot larger room. And as you walk in, it does have the 3 drawers on each side. And one thing I do notice too is the desk area is wider, so you have an area for a wheelchair to get into that area. You still do have the storage areas behind the mirrors here, and the refrigerators down here like standard room, and the TV, and then the safe, like I said, is actually over in the closet, so you can get into the safe from a lower height. You have a couple chairs here, a table. Over by the bed. The beds are lower than standard beds in rooms, but there's a nightstand in between these beds. These beds are separated. They can be pushed together, but one of the things over here too I noticed is the telephone is a different telephone with a keypad on it. And then you have some drawers here, additional drawers here to be able to store stuff. And if you walk into the bathroom, you notice also the door is wider. And I'll show you this feature here in a minute. That's when you want to leave the room. You hit that button and they'll open the door. But the bathroom has a large shower, the shower curtain and chair in it, and everything is down low so you can actually reach it. And the shower head up there. The toilet is a lower toilet. And you also have these things, these emergency buttons here, and a phone in here in case you fall or have an issue. And then you have the sink over here with additional storage like a standard stateroom in the mirror area. I notice also the towel rack is lower also. So, all right, do a quick look at the balcony, and I'll show you what that switch does, how that switch operates to let you out of the room. This does have an obstructed view for the balcony, but it's a larger balcony because of the to allow the wheelchairs to come out here and stuff. But you have a lounger and a table there, and another table, and a couple chairs there. Like I said, it is a obstructed view, so you have the walkway underneath here. All right, so walk back in. Like I said, I'll show you that button on the way out, but how it opens the door for you. And if you like what you see or what you saw in this video, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button. And I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss any of our future content. I'll leave a link down below to a standard Ocean View balcony room on here that I did a tour on earlier today. So, all right, like I said, hit this button, the door will open automatically. There we go. All right, we'll see you on the next one.